Huh.
Los Angeles County Emergency Operations Center, where we manage the response to major emergencies. Many broadcasters have agreed to deliver emergency information that will help you understand what has happened during emergencies and what you need to do. When you hear a real emergency alert system warning or alert, you should immediately tune to one of those radio or TV stations. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Stories that I grew up loving and hearing, and like Cleo said, we're gonna bring it back. We have to.
All right.
I want to experience
Amazing.
all the great wild game that we have here. As you see, we added that pot liquor to those greens, and that's gonna cook for about 30-35 minutes. And this was how the duck dinner worked, right? Everybody started.
Or entry door and get.
The following is a test to the emergency alert system.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is Sheriff Robert Luna. I am speaking to you from the Los Angeles County Emergency Operations Center, where we manage the response to major emergencies. Many broadcasters have agreed to deliver emergency information that will help you understand what has happened during emergencies and what you need to do. When you hear a real emergency alert system warning or alert, you should immediately tune to one of those radio or TV stations. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
All right. Come on, quit showing the slide.
Why wait until November when Black Friday?
Why wait until November when Black Friday stuff is occurring now? We get it.
Proud supporters of our.
No pre-roll or anything, oddly, so.
You remember the parties? I used to.
This is Sheriff Robert Luna. I am from the Los Angeles County Emergency Operations Center, where we manage the response to major emergencies.
Audio is terrible.
Many broadcasters have agreed to deliver emergency information that will help you understand what has happened during emergencies and what you need to do.
Sorry, HDRCX 240.
A real emergency alert system warning or alert, you should immediately tune to one of those radio or TV stations.
Get a better camera than steroids.
Emergency alert system.
Wait a goddamn second. No.
No. Are you saying that he agreed?